Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 41. Which Indian state became the first fully digital banking state in the country? Options: Punjab, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Bihar. Before looking into the answer, let's see why is this digital banking so important. Digital banking is being promoted in the state to provide the benefit of banking facility to the people sitting at home so that every district, every town, and every panchayat can be digital. Kerala has become the first state in India to enable digital banking in all eligible accounts. According to the State Level Bankers Committee, the state now has at least one product enabled digitally in 3.76 crore accounts. The state government, led by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, has implemented this move under the Expanding and Deepening of Digital Payments Ecosystem scheme of the Reserve Bank of India. In 2021, Thrissur became the first district in Kerala to implement digital banking under the scheme. So, Kerala is the first state in India to enable digital banking, and in Kerala, Thrissur is the first district. So, the right answer for this question is option B, Kerala. Kerala has become the first fully digital banking state in the country, and this has been implemented under the scheme of RBI named Expanding and Deepening of Digital Payments Ecosystem. And here is another question for you. Which app was awarded the Platinum Award in Digital Initiatives at Grassroots Level at Digital India Awards 2022? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such current affairs, subscribe to my channel Learn with Kumali and do not forget to check out my community post.